In this video, I'm gonna be doing a quick review on EtherOcean. So, guys, is EtherOcean a scam or is it a legit way to earn crypto like Ethereum, ETH? Because this platform actually claims to turn just $3 into hundreds of thousands using a decentralized system. Sounds crazy, right? Now, let's unpack the facts so you can decide for yourself. All right. So, what is EtherOcean? EtherOcean is a decentralized smart contract platform built on the Optimism Ethereum network, and it uses a referral based system where you start with just 0.01 ETH, about $3, and level up through 15 slots. Okay, so there are 15 levels. Each slot unlocks higher potential income and deeper team building structures. All right, and there is no owner, no admin, and no auto withdrawals directly to crypto wallets, because the withdrawal, the payment, okay, actually goes straight to your wallet. You don't have to request a withdrawal. Do you understand? Like, as you are earning, your earnings go straight to your wallet. You don't have to request for a withdrawal at all. Let me show you the dashboard right here. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, because before I decided to do a review on EtherOcean, I've created an account. This is my account right here. I created it I think on Sunday 20th April 2025. All right, so check the dashboard. There's nothing like withdraw. All right, there's nothing like withdraw, and there's nothing like deposit button. No withdrawal button, no deposit button. So, like, the payment is straight to the wallet. Like, if you earn, your earnings go straight to your trust wallet. You don't have to request for withdrawal. All right, so which is actually, like, it's actually mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. All right, so no need to trust a third party with your funds. Sounds empowering, but let's look deeper. Okay, let's look deeper into EtherOcean. Okay, is it sustainable? Like, is EtherOcean really sustainable? Now, here's the thing. EtherOcean operates on a smart contract based matrix. Okay, it's a matrix system. You earn income as new people join under you or under your system, and reward flow instantly based on the structure. All right, so you earn rewards based on the structure. Okay, this means that new participants fund the rewards of earlier ones, which raises red flags. Okay, so as new participant comes in, the uh, previous people in the system, they earn. Okay, why technically not a scam due to its transparent code. Okay, because the code is like, it's a decentralized platform. Okay, a decentralized structure. It functions a lot like a crowdfunding loop, or some might say a modern version of pyramid model. All right, it's not illegal by design. It is not illegal by design, take note, but sustainability depends entirely on consistent growth. Take note, the sustainability of this platform, okay, depends entirely on the consistent growth. When growth slows, so does the income. Okay, so if you are joining EtherOcean, or you are planning to make so much money with EtherOcean, that means you have to put in so much effort. You understand? By recruiting people. Now, the big question, is it a scam? Like, is EtherOcean a scam? First thing first, let's define scam. A scam is when someone intentionally deceives you to steal your money. Okay, that is a scam. When someone deliberately or intentionally deceive you to steal your money. Okay, and you trust them with your hard-earned money, and they deceive you and they betray your trust and they steal your money. But EtherOcean doesn't hide what it is. It is open source transparent, and you can see the smart contract live, on the blockchain. You always control your wallet, and no central figure holds your funds, because your fund goes straight to your decentralized wallet, your trust wallet, your MetaMask. So you can do whatever you like with your funds in your wallet. You understand? So you are totally in control. You are your own bank. Okay, your key, your crypto. Do you understand? Like, you're in full control. You're always no, you always control your wallet, and no central figure holds your phone. So in terms of security and transparency, EtherOcean is solid, like really, really solid. But, and this is important, it is not a traditional investment. To take note, it is not an investment platform that you put in your money, you go and sit down, or you go and sleep, you sit docile, or you sit back and relax, and you expect your capital, your money, to double. Okay, this is not CBES. So this is not CBES that you want, that you put your money and you'll be expecting 100% in a month. This is not CBES. So take note to so it's not an investment platform. All right, there are no external revenue stream, no trading, no DeFi products behind the scenes. All right, everything actually runs, you know on users participation. If people stop joining, you can see this is a tree. All right, this is you, this is another person, so it's a tree. All right, so if people stop joining, okay, earnings stop flowing. So when people are not joining your team, they are not joining your structure, your earnings will automatically slow down. So people must join, people must be recruited, people must be invited, people must be registered. All right, so you have to recruit people, you have to register people. It is community based, it is pure referral business, pure referral program, pure referral system. All right, so while it may not be a scam, it's definitely high risk and depends on constant community growth. Okay, so for you that you cannot refer, it's high risk for you. You understand? So unless you join an active team, okay. So if you cannot refer, you try and join an active team, and when you start seeing results, you too should try as much as possible to recruit people. So it won't be like, your team leader or the people in your team are just working for you. You understand? You grab the point now. So you have to recruit as well. Do you get it? So, but if you're not ready to do anything, you're not ready to do anything at all, so don't just bother to join. All right, don't bother to join. So is EtherOcean really a scam? Technically, no. No, 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 no. EtherOcean is not a scam. But I believe that's what you wanted to hear. So it is not a scam. So it is not CBES. Technically, no. All right. Is it risky? Absolutely. Everything is risky. Giving back to children is risky. Okay, providing help to people is risky, asking for help is risky, driving is risky, traveling is risky, everything is risky. You understand? So interaction too is risky. All right, so take note of that. But if you understand the model, accept the risk, and treat it more like a community game or network project rather than a long-term investment, you might find some value. All right, though. This interaction opportunity will actually open doors to uh more opportunities for you. Like, you are going to learn so much when you join this opportunity, when you join this platform. There are some people that have made so much money in crypto today because they started with program like this. You understand? It will open your eyes to see other opportunities in the crypto space. All right, so Now, this EtherOcean, okay, if you are thinking of joining, start small first, okay? You start small, start little by little, uh and never invest money you can afford to lose. All right, so don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. Okay, so with this opportunity, your eyes will be open to a lot of other opportunity in the crypto space. There are some people, they don't really know anything about decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, Token Pocket. All they do is, all they know about is Bybit, Binance, BitGet, MEXC Global. So now you have the chance, the opportunity to learn more about what's it called, the decentralized system platform, the DeFi and other stuff like that, decentralized finance, decentralized application, and lots more. Okay, so that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, observation, drop them in the comment section. All right, so if you're ready to join EtherOcean, you're going to see my link in the description box. Okay, so make sure you join my team. Let's work together as a team. Let's build together. Let's make so much money with this opportunity. Let's go. Until next time, peace out.